Well, hello guys, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up here today, guys, and talk about a few programs that we're involved in and give you an update as to what some of them are doing and how we're doing in the programs. Hey guys, I like to promote plug and play systems that offer value in the marketplace, that have value, that have worth, that has products that can help people to earn income online from the comfort of home. And that's exciting. Guys, I want to talk about, again, several programs. I want to talk about the 12-minute affiliate real quick. I want to talk about the instant postcard wealth. I want to talk about some of the programs, postcard programs that we're involved in, and go from there. Guys, if this is your first time to the channel, we ask guys that you like the video, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time, and hit the notification bell so that, guys, when I upload video loads, you'll be the first to know when I upload videos. And I really appreciate you viewing the video. Hey guys, this right here is the 12-minute affiliate program. When you join, guys, you're going to get a landing page that looks like this. This is a way that you can earn Clickbank commissions. It is a turnkey, simple system. Once the system is set up, you just drive traffic. It's a done-for-you system. There are three products that niches that we are working with in this network. We're talking about the three niches are personal development. The next one is going to be make money online. The next one is going to be weight loss. Those are the three biggest niches that's out there that people are looking for. Now, when you begin to come into the program, guys, again, you're going to get a landing page look like this. There's several lead capture pages, guys. And we'll go to the back office and look at some of these capture pages that you're going to have access to. One of the main ones, guys, that you're going to have access to is something that looks like this. This is going to be the capture page, one of the capture pages that we're using out of many that you have to choose from. If you want to market the business itself, you can get a capture page that looks like this. And guys, they're going to put in their name and address, and then it's going to take them straight to a webinar where the owner of the program is going to do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. And then they're going to make an informed decision as to whether or not the program is for them. Guys, here's a robust back office is that you're going to get access to, guys. Again, the home business, weight loss, personal development are the funnels that you're going to get. And each of these funnels, they're going to have lead capture pages. We're going to go over there and see some of these lead capture pages. Basically, they're marketing Clickbank products. And all you do is send traffic. We have done-for-you traffic. We have other traffic, free traffic methods. And you can decide what level you want to come in at, whether it be one niche or all three niches, guys. Very, very affordable. And again, you just send traffic, and then you can be able to make Clickbank commissions utilizing the 12-minute affiliate program. I've got several videos, guys, on the channel talking about the 12-minute affiliate program. So when you get a chance, you can go back and review some of the ones that I already posted to give you a little bit more an in-depth review on it. Now, let's look at some of the niches. The one that I'm really focused on is the home business. The home business is a niche. Okay, you can get instant funnels, and you can have your custom funnels. Guys, you can market any product. If you got a product, you got a service, you can utilize the capture pages that's in this system to market any product that you may have. Or if you don't have a product, guys, you can market some of these products that's already pre-built into the system. These are already preloaded Clickbank products. All you do, come over here, guys, find a capture page that you want to promote, send traffic to it, guys, and make commissions. You can set this up, or they will set it up for you. And that is incredible. They'll set it up for you and send you all the information back, and all you do is send traffic. And if you don't know how to drive traffic, guys, they got a done-for-you traffic. Done-for-you traffic, guys. Get quality traffic sent to any affiliate niche with just a few clicks of your mouse. How it works. And they explain how it works, guys, so you can get the traffic here that you need to be able to be successful with this system. So, guys, they left no stone unturned with the 12-minute affiliate. I'm excited about the program. I have posted Clickbank proof of the Clickbank checks that I have received working with the system. So we're excited about what this system has done and what it's currently doing. Guys, I think it's going to be a great system for many times to come. We've got a private Facebook group where members can share their testimonials, talk about the products, talk about the services. You can get one-on-one coaching with this program. You can upgrade your account. So just a robust back office, guys. We got a resource center, email swipes that you can utilize. And guys, you can get started with a free trial for as low as $9.95. You can get started with a free trial, and then after that, it's like $47 per month. Absolutely incredible, guys. If you need a marketing system for any product, again, that you're marketing, you can utilize 12-Minute Affiliate. If you don't have a product, market the system itself and start collecting endless commissions just selling this system itself. Which is, again, a great product that can help people promote their product. So I'm excited about the 12-Minute Affiliate. The education, guys, the resources that's available in the system is worth its weight alone for the price of admission. The 12-Minute Affiliate Program, guys, and this is a highly converting capture page. This capture page is converting at about 42% for me, so I'm excited about that, and it updates every single day. Guys, another program that I am a raving fan of, and I talk about it often on these videos, just showing you proof, more proof, guys, and it is the Instant Postcard Wealth Program. Now, let me show you this. This program, guys, it just continues to produce every single day. The Instant Postcard Wealth Program. It is a program that shows you how to effectively market any business, whatever you're marketing, and you can make money by marketing any business with the use of postcards. It teaches you how to properly organize your postcards, what weeks to mail out, how the postcards need to look, and we even provide postcard designs in the back office. The product is, guys, the Postcard Marketing Guide. It is a marketing guide that is in the back office, a downloadable guide that you get to help you to effectively market any business. Now, guys, if you don't have a business, if you can market this program itself, and it can give you unlimited $98 payments. Now, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the back office, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to go back here in the back office and look around. Hang on tight. Here's a payment, guys, that came in just this morning. Payments come in every day on this program for me. And this can be your reality. And it's not hard. It's a plug-and-play system. The owner sets it up for you. Basically, it is set up, guys, and then you can start receiving the $98 payments. You just mail postcards, or you can use solo ads, market it on Facebook, however you want to do it. You want people to go to your lead capture page. We have about 3 different lead capture pages, and this is the one that I'm using. Now, guys, this is the landing page that you land on. And this is the lead capture page that I'm using. And it's highly converting capture page when you get involved with this program. It's coming up. Here it is, guys. A proven postcard system that pays $98 payment directly to your bank account. And, guys, you can see the payment proof right there. That payment came in this day. All right. Let's take a look at the back office of the Instant Postcard Wealth Program. Here is your guide. This is your product, guys. It's a downloadable e-guide. Here is some more of your products. 24 proven postcard designs. You can utilize the postcard designs. Here, there's going to be a welcome to the Instant Postcard Wealth video that's going to introduce you to the system and kind of give you a walkthrough of what to do with the system. Number 2, we're going to talk about your mindset here. And folks, mindset and altitude. If you have your mindset right from working from home, guys, you can write your own income. And let me tell you what, folks, there is no limit as to the income that you can make with these programs working from the comfort of your home. Having multiple sources of income, like a Walmart or a McDonald's, have multiple choices for people that see your content that they can join. And let me tell you what, folks, the biggest way to make the most money from home is to keep it simple. Offer value and offer services, offer products that have value.
and let people see value in what you're marketing, they will effortlessly on a daily basis align themselves with you when you put enough of it out there, and it could be your reality. Mindset, guys, getting in the training in here is just, it's priceless. Website setup talks about that, guys, and it talks information on how to get it to the owner to be able to get it done. Once it's set up, guys, your website will be up and running within about 48 hours. And then they talk about ramping up your profits, guys, mailing postcards every other day, marketing strategies, and what you need to do to ramp up your products, guys. This program has made me 5 figures per month and continues to produce. I think it's going to be great in 2020, 21, and 22, and how to increase your sales with instant postcard wealth. We have the capture pages you can choose from, guys. It's a plug-and-play marketing solution. They have leads, and it's just very exciting. Opportunity leads. Here you go, buy leads, guys. I recommend a lead source also. And you can contact support. They're very, very helpful, and information that if you have any questions, you can always contact me. I'll be your sponsor. Or if you're looking at this video, guys, and somebody else recommends you to the program, get back with the person that recommended you to the program. This program is easy to market. It is simple, and people like keeping it simple. I have a proven postcard design, guys, that works very well. If you join the team and you want to know the postcard I'm using, if you can't find it on another one of my videos, just contact me and I can email you a copy of that postcard that I'm using. All right, so that's Instant Postcard Wealth. Guys, here are some other postcard programs that we're currently excited about. And guys, to get copies of these postcards, just email me and tell me that you want a copy of any one of these postcards. Okay, guys, what we have here is the $50 Cash Blaster program. Guys, this is a powerful little program here. And you just mail postcards. I keep it simple, guys, and you can write your own income. A lot of baby boomers and a lot of people want to keep things simple. They're busy with their lives and they're on the go and they want to make money from home, but they don't want to learn all these fancy internet marketing strategies. They don't want to be on a lot of Facebook groups. They don't want to be on a webinar. They just want a plug and play system. And that's what we want to offer to our people that view our content. We want plug and play simple systems. And at the same time, guys, we do market programs that will require you to go into the Facebook group and get on webinars. But at the same time, we have products and services and programs that is a wide variety. Some have that content that we want you to come to the Facebook group, and some of them are just plug and play systems, just mail simple postcards. Guys, this is the $50 Cash Blaster. It's working fantastic. This is what you can make, guys, with this program. This is the front side. Level 1, you're going 1. When you get a sign up, you'll go to number 2. When your sign up, get a sign up, you'll go to number 3. So it's just simple. Now, look at this, guys. Your products. Let's talk about the products. The product package containing the WTM Business CD-ROM, a full color postcard ordering form, a mailing list directory, and more. This is your product package, guys. It only costs $200 to get started. That is the other side of it, guys. This is where your folks' name go, people that you're mailing the postcard to. And guys, sometime when you get a chance, dial this number. This number can get your prospect excited about partnering with you in the $50 Cash Blaster. If you want a copy of this program, guys, send me an email, and I'll leave my email address below the video. Guys, Franklin Wealth System. It is a beautiful postcard. This is a jumbo size postcard. Guys, you earn $100 per level. You go on level number 1. When you get a sign up, you go to level number 2. Guys, can you imagine having these postcards out working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Let's say you go sign up 3 or 4 people and you're in number 2. Well, guys, you got 3 or 4 people mailing postcards on your behalf. Folks, that is incredible. And you can be able to win with this postcard. It's got a product package, guys. I am not going to read the product package on every one of them, but I want you to also see what it was. Receive your product package as listed below. You're going to get WTM's Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM. It's going to be a CD-ROM mailed to your home. Mailing list sources, all one mailing list service, and your copy of this flyer, this postcard. Here's the other side of it, guys. It's a beautiful postcard. And you, again, call this message, guys. Get excited and listen to what this message has to say. Your prospects, this is highly converting postcards, folks. Guys, and here is the folks that absolutely know what they want in life and what they want to do. This postcard, folks, is responsible. This is going to be an incredible postcard late summer. Right now, people are gravitating towards it. We're getting people calling about it, asking about it, and some people are coming in. This postcard, guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be absolutely incredible, which it already is for this fall. And now is the time to get in position and start getting them out in the mail. And we'll see planting those seeds, guys. You can see explosions coming the fall. Call that message, guys. You can receive $500 per sale with this cash, with this Profit Max Formula postcard. You put the sticky label right here, and you put your stamp right there. Here is the other side of it, guys. Let me show you. Here's the income potential. You purchase a money order for $9.95 and one for $500. You make one payable to WTM. The $500 goes payable to the person in the dealer box. Guys, I bought this program immediately, and I haven't turned back. I am so excited about the Profit Max Formula postcard to receive $500 payments directly to my mailbox utilizing this Profit Max Formula postcard. Beautiful postcard design. Guys, again, if you want a copy of any of these postcards, please put in your messages which one you want, and we'll effortlessly get it emailed to you. You can print it off and join. And guys, I have so many people request these postcards. I only email them. I try to keep up with trying to mail everybody a postcard, and it just, guys, it's easier to email it. So that concludes that Profit Max formula. Now, guys, one last program, and I'm going to leave you here. It's going to be the Instant Cash Solution. I'm going to do a full review real soon on the Instant Cash Solution. It is a great program, guys. I've got videos here. You can just Google Instant Cash Solution Timothy Thomas if you want to know more about it. It has levels 1 through 5 from $100 to $500 a sale, and it's a great little program. It's a webinar, has video testimonial on it, and it's great also. Guys, if again, I want you to just take a look at, again, these programs, and you make a decision. Some people are joining one of these programs. Some people are joining 2 and 3 of them. You get in where you fit in. And guys, get educated on postcard marketing. Get educated on the this internet program, the 12-minute affiliate. If you want Clickbank sales, you can market Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, utilizing this system. It has the pre-built funnels. Market any program you like. Okay, guys, that concludes the video, and hope you enjoyed it. Again, I would like for you to give the video a thumbs up. And guys, I will bring you more valuable content in the very near future. Guys, look forward to seeing some of you on the Millionaire Mailer conference call tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be on the Millionaire Mailer conference call. Have a wonderful day, folks, and bye for now until the next video.